Thank you so much, Michael. It's a great pleasure to be here this evening. This is a wonderful event, and I'm honored to be at the podium here with such a wonderful group. And it's a great pleasure to meet Michael's mom. That's absolutely fantastic. Great smile, same smile as Michael. Isn't that wonderful? And thank you, Michael, for that warm introduction. I am representing the OSDBU directors. Actually, I have been the vice chair for the past year, and now I'm the incoming chair of the OSDBU Directors Council. So thank you. And it's, for those of you that don't know, and I'm honored to be in front of this group of very successful business owners. We are your eyes and ears within the agencies. By law, we report right to the head of the agency or the deputy, and we are at the table when it comes to making those important decisions at every agency. When it comes to small business or any issue with the agency. I personally attend many more meetings than I want to at the senior levels every week, and I know that you can feel assured that I'm going to be supporting the issues and supporting small business every step of the way. I'm not going to give a long speech tonight because I know you guys have heard a lot of speeches. So I do want to say, though, the U.S. Agency for International Development plays a very important role for the federal government in the international arena, and that's why I'm so honored to be presenting this award this evening. But USAID does, we have missions in 85 countries around the world, and we do some of the wonderful things that the U.S. does around the world, from humanitarian assistance to economic growth work to global health, agriculture. We work in a number of different areas and really doing the best to try to help out the developing world. So personally, I just came back from a trip to our missions down in Latin America. I was in El Salvador and Peru and really got a firsthand look at some of the work that we do and talked to some of the recipients of our work. And I was just taken aback by how grateful they are about the work that we do. And I think if there's one thing that we don't do well is really broadcast and promote the work that we do, because a lot of people don't even know, how important the work that we do. So you should feel proud to be Americans and to understand that USAID is doing some wonderful work around the world. Having said that, it gives me great pleasure, and it's indeed an honor to present the award this evening for the International Business category. And that recipient is Phyllis Shearer-Jones. Phyllis Shearer-Jones is the president and CEO of Elan International, which is headquartered in Wheaton, Maryland. And in 2008, Elan was selected as one of the top 100 minority and women-owned businesses in the Washington Capital Region. Prior to founding Elan International in 1997, Ms. Jones spent 2.5 years as an appointee at the Office of the United States Trade Representative. She chairs the Maryland-Washington, D.C. District Export Council, which is comprised of business leaders appointed by the U.S. Secretary of Commerce. Whether it is lobbying for trade legislation, holding workshops in the U.S. on international trade, conducting training sessions in Africa on the African Growth and Opportunity Act, organizing a conference in India, or creating materials for an export training workshop in Indonesia, Ms. Jones is an advocate for international business development. She has served as an official delegate to international meetings with the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, Transatlantic Business Dialogue, and the World Trade Organization. Please join me in congratulating our International Business Awardee, Ms. Phyllis Shearer-Jones.